in the Lord with all your heart. That's where we really get our frustration, when we don't trust Him. Trust Him calms us. And lean not to your own understanding. That's what gets us in frustration. Lean to our own understanding. What gets us out of frustration is trusting God. Frustration will eventually have a physical effect as well as a mental effect. I believe that we can set our clock if we just do it God's way. He said, trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't leave an empty space, because if Satan can get one little inch for you to doubt, he can take you out. Because the Bible said, if you believe with your heart and shall not doubt, you will have what you say. And don't lean to your own understanding, for if you lean to your own understanding, what is it that you have to lean to? So you got to learn to trust in God.